Hello, hello, hello. I pray you are well. It is a new month and we are on day 21. And you know what? We are making some changes. I'm about purpose, and I don't like doing things that are redundant. I'm all about forward motion, but sometimes we spend way too much time building and supporting other people's dreams while leaving ours on the back burner, to the point of us not even realizing that we are neglecting ourselves. I am done neglecting myself. If you are paying attention to what I'm doing in this blender session, you will see that I am deleting some things. How the heck am I moving forward if I am deleting things? Okay, so after long deliberation, I've decided to shift this channel slightly, just a little bit. I will no longer be creating MLOs or doing MLO tutorials. I am very passionate about game design and development, and I've been studying and learning so many new things. But I'm kind of limited when it comes to creating MLOs. We all are, honestly, because I can't bring things to life the way that I really want or with the ease that I want due to the dated technology of a game that's 12 years old. I've decided to go on and do the thing that initially caused me to start practicing MLOs and making tutorials. I am building my own open world roleplay game, my own OWR. The 70-day challenge will continue. However, instead of me building MLOs, I will be creating assets for my OWR game, such as characters, clothing, cars, neighborhoods, businesses, cities, and so much more. I will also be spending time learning and showing you what I learned. This is something I've been dreaming about for 5 years now, and I'm tired of doing everything but the real thing that I want to do. This is going to be an interesting journey, but I am down for the challenge. Embarking on this journey makes me happy, and I enjoy doing what makes me happy. After the 70-day challenge is complete, there will be more tutorials as well as dev vlogs as I progress through this creation of my OWR game. What will happen to the MLO content here? All tutorials that are up on the channel will remain available. The courses will remain available until they are obsolete. The MLOs that I've created, that I've released, will also remain available until they are obsolete. There is one more thing that I have to do for the terrains course. Once I do that, I am done updating the courses. All of the MLOs that I started building during the 70-day challenge, I will not be turning into MLOs. Instead, they will all get their own custom exterior and design for the OWR. I was working on a salon script to go along with Flawless Salon, but I won't be releasing it as a script for 5M. I don't want to put any more of my ideas into modding when I can create something that will really do it justice. I will not be releasing any more MLOs. Everything will be going to the OWR. I have quite a few builds that I haven't released, and I just don't want to. So, if you want to see where this project goes and continue to learn Blender tools along the way while building with me, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. We will also be diving into some Unreal Engine content, so stay tuned. All 5M courses are still on sale for those wanting to learn MLO creation and mapping. Check the description box for the links to register. Also, join the Discord to receive additional help from the 5M community. As a result of taking the Ultimate MLO course, You will learn to build MLOs from scratch and with pre-existing builds. I'm interested in helping those who are serious about making amazing MLOs. Who do you know is ready to let go of their fear and create high quality MLOs no matter what others say, no matter what others do? Check the description box for the link to register. This is day 21. Now let's build.